Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can add fonts to the Figma. So this will be an quick and simplest video. So how we can add a new fonts in our Figma. So first of all, you just need to be open a window on your Chrome, then you just need to be search it font free fonts and then hit enter, and here you can see we have a couple of websites, so you can choose any of them. I'm going to do with this one, so I will click over here and I am going to download and font from that place. I think this one will be good, so I will click over here download. Once I click over here, it already been downloaded, so I will click over here to the go to the folder, and then I will extract all the thing in here. Once I did, then here I am going to install Mazy in my desktop device. So here you can see it will take a while to install. Once it's done, then again let's do it the same things. Just click to the install. Okay, great. So it will be done, and now you just need to come back to the Figma, and here you just need to be select your text, and then what was our font, did you remember it? Let's check this out. That is Miyaji. Let's copy this one and come back our font, and here I'm going to search into the font, and eventually you can see that our font has been installed perfectly. This is the easiest way to install. This is the easiest way to install any font in your Figma. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.